If we had, say, 10 to the 2 or say 2 to the 7th, we would be able to solve those values. But what about something like e? E is roughly equal to 2.718, and this value has a lot of practical applications. Now, e is solved by looking at the equation of 1 plus 1 over n raised to the n power, which if we graphed it, it would look something like this, where as the value approached infinity, it would come out to that 2.718. So if we wanted to solve something like e raised to the 5th power, that would be 2.718 raised to the 5th power. Now, if we have something like e, and we can also take a look at the inverse of that, which would be the log base e of a value, which we actually simplify to natural log. So if we were to graph e to the x, it would look something like this. And if we looked at the inverse, which is a plane across this asymptote, the inverse would look something like this, which again is going to be natural log. And we can use this information to help us solve problems. So for instance, if we had e to the x is equal to 8, we can take the natural log of both sides, meaning that inverse of this function, and that natural log would cancel out with e, so we get that x is equal to natural log of 8. Now we can also do this with harder questions. Say we had 3 natural log of 4x is going to be equal to 24. Dividing by 3 on both sides, that would give us natural log of 4x is going to be equal to 8. Taking e on both sides of that, what we would end up doing is canceling out natural log. We'd be left with 4x is equal to e to the 8, dividing by 4 on both sides. That would give us something like e to the 8 over 4 for our answer.